All right, Slayers, let's get into this video. It's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be quick, and it's going to be a thrift store haul. I got these shoes for $4 from Park Avenue Thrift. They're so cute. They're actually Topshop shoes, and they're in pretty good condition. And then these bad boys are bringing me back to the 2000s, the late 90s. Like, I'm getting the Bratz doll vibe from these. I can't wait to style them. I have no idea what I'm going to wear with it yet, but stay tuned. In these, I cannot remember exactly how much I got these for, but they kind of remind me of Beyonce's heels for like one of her concerts, so I can't wait to style this. As for this blazer, you guys know I love blazers. It's hard for me to find blazers that fit around my arms and also fit my waist and torso, so this one was actually perfect. It's a perfect cut too. And I got these really baggy jeans that I wanted to make high-waisted, but they're kind of too big because they are men's, so I'm going to get it altered, or I might just end up adding some elastic bands inside of it so it's easier to stay up. But I love the overall look of a baggy pant, and I love men's attire, so I had to cop this. I'm not going to lie. So dope. Alright guys, as for this, I love this so much. This was a men's jacket, and I wanted to wear it as a dress. Not exactly with this belt though. I just wanted to see how it would look cinched, but I would kind of pair it with a boot like this or some combat boots, and obviously not a top underneath. I think this is just a dope top overall. And this is another men's section item, I'm pretty sure, that I want to end up actually altering. I want to make the legs a little bit skinnier, kind of giving that jogger look. And I want to cinch the waist, or I might wear it open. Open is dope too. I'm sorry I keep using the word dope, but I just love everything that I got. So I hope you guys really enjoy this, like these kinds of videos. So this pants is also from the men's section. It's $5. I love to like pair different hues of a color together. I haven't really experimented too much of that, but I love color blocking, so this outfit like got me really excited. I might actually wear something similar like this, and I'll post it on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, my Instagram is also TheNuVogue, and it's in the description box, and I'll be posting a lot of these looks later on during the week. This dress is giving me vacation vibes. It was such a good price. I'm like so happy with it. And I would wear it just like this, honestly, with some heels or flip-flops. I just feel like it's so perfect, and it's so lightweight. I'm pretty sure this was also a men's item. As for this black velvet dress, it was giving me grandma vibes, but sexy grandma. And you guys will see why later because of this. This is why it's giving me old lady vibes. But I feel like I would pair the jackets separately because I love gaudy clothing. I just love anything that's like over the top, so I would pair them separately. The dress on its own is really nice, and honestly, I would wear it with like feather heels or something like that. And then this black leather blazer, I almost died because it fit my arms too, and you guys don't understand how much I love anything leather, so yes. And this slip dress I also got from Park Avenue Thrift, but I just wanted to try on the blazer and show you guys. And joggers are my jam, especially joggers from the men's section. I just love them so much. They're so easy to style. Like, you can wear this with a nice crop top or a nice crop jacket, denim jacket, like dress it up, dress it down, heels, no heels. Like, you guys, like this is my thing, okay? Blazers, baggy pants, that's me, you know? So I'm excited to style this too. It's so chill. and I love a good mom jean. Yes, my style is like so old-fashioned. If I was to truly dress the way that like I love, like you guys would be like, why are you trying to dress like an old lady? Like, don't ask why. But I love this trench coat. It was $12 from Park Avenue Thrift, and it's actually leather, and it's such a great quality. I feel like most of these pieces, like especially the jackets, I will have for a long time. And then I picked up this sheer number from Park Avenue Thrift also. I really like it. I feel like it would be really nice with a bralette and some shorts or something like that. So cute. And then obviously back to the men's section with my pants. I always like the look of men's shorts, and I always wanted to wear them exactly like this. I just wasn't able to find one, but now that I did, I love it so much. Like, this casual look is my favorite out of everything that I got. I also got this top from Park Avenue Thrift also, and I would wear this with a bralette under, like peeking through and then off the shoulder just like this. Something like that. Really dope. So chill. And last but not least, I got this $7 jacket. I like that it's lightweight, and I love how long it is, and I feel like this is such a dope jacket to wear with like black pants or just an all black look, an all white look. I feel like it would go well with that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really short, and I know it's like different than what I'm used to doing, but let me know if you guys like these kinds of videos in between me doing like DIYs, and stay tuned for my next DIY. It's gonna be pretty bomb. Alright guys, see you later. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for new videos.